Welcome to Prime Tech Automotive YouTube channel. I have a quick video here today to show where the engine number in Toyota Kluger, which is Toyota Highlander, to the 2017 onwards. So if you stand in front of the car, you go to where the air box is, just side of the battery. Just look through under where the engine mount bracket is. Front engine mount bracket is. That's where the engine number is, which is 2GR engine, which you can see here. That's a quick one. Everyone struggle to find this engine number. Thanks for watching, guys. See you with another video.